Hi, my name is Dave Curtis. I'm a bartender and I've worked in really high volume places in Manhattan, making between 500 and 1,000 cocktails in a single day. And the way that you do that, it's speed bartending. You don't use a measuring jigger. What you do is you rely on the speed pourer, extremely accurate pouring, and extremely fast techniques chained together. Now, one of the things that I don't see it. I was writing about an article on my blog about short shaking the cocktails. And there's not a single video today on short shaking, and it doesn't appear that it's anywhere in anyone's vocabulary. And part of the reason is because since 1980, bartending hasn't been taught properly. Mothers Against Drunk Driving shut down all the professional schools. The only thing that they have left are the 2-week courses that are made for home bartenders. One of the things that you do learn in New York City is how to 10 bar really, really fast at those old schools. And one of the techniques that was taught back then was short shaking. Now, typically, what you're going to do when you're dealing with cocktails, you're going to put your ice in the glass, and mind you, you don't do the tin, you do the glass. Then you're going to pour your alcohol. Then you're going to use the top of your shaker. You're going to shake. Then what you do when you get done is they're going to show you straining. You're going to use a coil strainer, or you're going to use which is a hawthorn, or you're going to use a julep strainer with the little holes in it. It doesn't make a bit of difference. Normally I'd have more ice, but this is home. I'm just using what I got in the refrigerator. All right. So by doing so, you now got 3 things to wash. Well, you got 2 things to wash, and you're using more resources and more time. When you're dealing with drinks in a high volume atmosphere, in that kind of setting, you don't have time. If it takes you 6 seconds and you do it 20 times an hour, that's going to cost you 2 full minutes of time, and then you can make so many drinks during that 2 full minutes. So what we're going to do here now is going to do a short shake. And simple procedure. Take your same glass. Now, these are chintzy, lightweight rock glasses. They're nothing like anything that we have. We're going to pour your mixer. You're going to your sour mix or your sweet lemon juice or whatever you have. Your simple syrup. The more stuff you have to add that you don't pre-combine, like the simple syrup with the lime juice or the lemon juice, if you're going to squeeze it yourself, the longer it's going to take to make each cocktail. And you're talking about hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, lined up 7 glasses in a row, and you're pouring from glass to glass to glass without lifting, your common liquors, and then down your speed rack, and then your juices, and finally your syrups and your toppings before you shake anything. And you serve the simplest, fastest ones like the wines and the beers first, and then the basic shots second, and then the ones that need like a little grenadine or a little bit of amaretto, godmothers and godfathers and that sort of thing. Now this short shake is just simple. We've put our liquor in there, we poured our base juice or cream. You take your shaker, and mind you, this is that little shaker that you usually see. Well, that's supposed to go there. No, that's not what it's for. Short shake. Now I'm doing this gently because, as I said, these are chintzy, very narrow bottom. There you go. You got 1 glass to wash. Here's your drink. Boom. Short shake. That's how you do it.